supposed to be Nora's job. Good morning. It's Wednesday, January 25th. And today we have kind of an exciting day. If you don't do any other classes today, please come to the 2 o'clock because we are having a live field trip. I talked to the Rangers up there in Alaska, and we're actually going to be talking to them up in Alaska. This is the place that they are at. It's called Glacier Bay. It's this gorgeous bay where there's a lot of whales and seals and seabirds and things. So that's kind of fun. We're going to Alaska at 2 o'clock. And the boys book club that should be at 2:30, Untitled. We'll see if we're not done with our field trip, then we won't have the book club. But if we're done, we'll have it. Okay. So that's the first thing. And the second thing is I want to share my screen and go over where to find the link for that, because it's not our normal link. So if you go to our home screen and click the little house, you're going to see that I've put in an announcement, and it has the Zoom link for this meeting. They have their own Zoom link they set up with a password. So you need to use this one. Don't come to my Zoom. I won't be there at 2 o'clock. Mohammed? Question?
What did you say about the book club?
I said that if we're on this field trip and it doesn't end in time, I'm not sure how long the field trip will last, but if it's not over, then we won't meet with the book club. We'll just see if there's time. And then, so this is the link to get to it. If you forget that it's there, I've put it in 2 other places. So I went to the calendar, and on the 25th, I changed it. So today's calendar, if you look at the bottom down here, it says live field trip link Zoom to Glacier Bay, Alaska, 550-720 at 2 o'clock. And if you forget that it's there and you go to our week at a glance, you'll see that it's here too. Please use the link below. So, and I will send out an email and really try to make sure everybody comes on the field trip, because I think it's going to be fun. If you can't come on it, I'll try to record it, but I'm not sure. I guess I can't because I won't be on my Zoom. So I can't record it. So if you can't make it live, you're not going to be able to do the field trip. Sorry, but that's just the way it goes. Here's our day at a glance. We moved up our Flex Passion project. If you weren't here yesterday, some people were asking about the part B of the language arts test. And it turns out they wanted you to write a whole nother essay, like sit down and write it really fast, which I get why they're asking you to do that, because on the state test, they make you do that. They make you write a whole essay, but they give you like 4 days to do it. So they don't make you do it in one day. So I took that assignment off. You can thank your friend Eli for looking ahead and seeing that that assignment was that. Everybody say thank you, Eli.
Thanks, Eli.
Yeah, Eli saved you. So we're not doing that today. Instead, we're going to go ahead and go early to our Flex Week Passion Project Directions. There's a link to it right here. And then at 10 o'clock, we're starting the Mod 8 pretest in math, but not an assignment yet. And then we have writing today. We're starting our free writing. We started yesterday, but I really want you guys getting going on that today. And then this afternoon, we have our Glacier Bay, Alaska field trip. So that's what's going on today. I want to go right now to our Passion Project Directions. So you can click this link here. It will take you there, or you can go to the subjects and go to language arts, and it will take you there. And when you go to the modules, you'll see that I've moved that one up. So now it says Flex Passion Project Week. And this is due tomorrow on the 26th. Actually, it says it's due, but you don't have to submit anything. It says, click this link to learn more about choosing to take a break from Florida Virtual to nurture your own curiosity, creativity, and passion. I think this time of the year is the hardest time of the year to be really passionate and excited about school. At the start of the year, it's sunny and you're meeting new people and you're starting 5th grade and you've got a new teacher and it's super exciting, right? And then you get that done and you kind of work your way through, and then you're all excited for the holidays. And so that's kind of fun. And you're getting school done and you have a big break. And then you come back from the break, and for a few weeks, school is new again. It's exciting to be together again. And then February hits, and we're almost to February now. And you're like, oh, we're halfway through the school year. The days are short and dark. It's the same old stuff you've been doing. And it's hard to be excited about school. How many of you feel a little bit that way? That it's a little bit hard right now? So we're having a break. We have 8 days off where it's really up to you to find something to get excited about. Maybe you want to make a big giant poster. Maybe you want to design your own escape room. I know that Kainoa was thinking of doing that. Maybe you want to learn all about whales up in Glacier Bay, or study nudibranchs on the Oregon coast, or invent something. But it is your job. It is your job to find something within you, a spark, a passion, something you're interested in, to get yourself excited. That's really your job. In life, you're going to have times that are hard, and you're going to have to push through them and find a way to get excited. Okay. We all have to do that all the time. So that's part of this week. So here's a new creative way to spend the week learning how to create things online. I've added this link. It's kind of an interesting one. Maybe you love escape rooms and would like to learn to make one of your own is here. Make sure you discuss this with your learning coach. Explore the ideas and pick one today. Then go to next Monday, day 1, and submit what you're going to be working on for, this is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Well, Friday we're in person. Then next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So you have 7 days to do this. Okay. You're going to plan your project on Tuesday, day 2. Send me your plan on day 3 and submit your project on day 4. Do not wait until day 4 to start, because you won't get much done. What will happen if you don't do anything? Are you going to be in trouble? No. Are you going to hurt me if you don't do something? No. But are you going to be very excited? Right? So the only person you're hurting if you don't put a lot of effort into this Passion Week is yourself, because you're the one who benefits from this. Let's take a look at some of these links. So this first link in the assignment is the old assignment. You've seen it before. For the next 6 days, you take a break. The only Florida virtual we're going to be doing is, well, we have a tiny bit of science we're going to finish up, and then you have math. And then you should still read and do Dreambox. Here's links to the zoo. Here's some links to all sorts of cool stuff, climate stuff, National Geographic, write a narrative, make a slideshow, write some poetry. Here, make a video, do a science fair project. Maybe you want to do a big experiment with a volcano exploding. Make an arcade. This is super fun. It's like making an arcade game. Maybe you want to bring some sunshine to your neighborhood. This is about going out and putting signs in your windows or decorating your windows that say, like, have a great day, and you just do something nice for your neighbors, or community service project. Maybe you want to help your younger siblings for a week, or make a family cookbook. Maybe you want to send some cards to somebody who you think might need some cheering up this time of year. So that's the first link on there. There are so many links that today's your day to really explore all of this. Here's another link to help you decide what kind of action you want to take. If you're a person who wants to teach people something, if you want to change a behavior, and like maybe you want to get in great shape today and give yourself some physical challenges. Maybe you want to inspire others to make some changes, or you want to build something, right? So this is giving you some ideas there. This is this thing I found that's all about Imagineering. So it's like using your imagination. It's a Khan Academy course, and it has all sorts of information on how to create a world, your own land, your theme, the layout, buildings for the land. And I think you actually like construct a city in your room, which is kind of cool. Anyway, here's all sorts of things to put into it, storyboards, ideas. So you could work your way through this unit. Looks kind of fun. And then Kainoa was saying he wanted to try to design an escape room. So here's how to build a digital escape room using Google Forms. This is pretty hard, but if you focus on it, that would be pretty cool. Okay.
Already.
You what?
I'm already looking at it.
Are you? You're excited about it? Good. So your challenge today is to find something to get excited about. Now, if you're a person who makes quick ideas and like comes up with an idea and sticks with it, and that's easy for you, great. If you're a person who, like my husband, is actually terrible at making decisions, when he's trying to pick out a Christmas gift and we're shopping, he'll go look and I'll be like, this is a nice Christmas gift. And he's like, yeah, but there might be another one. So if you know you're a person who doesn't have an easy time making decisions, will you please find something interesting today? Your only job today is to find something to be interested in. And when I ask you tomorrow morning, I'd like you all to have an idea of the direction you're moving in. Okay, so I'm going to stop my share and ask you if there's any questions about that.